Hey y'all, so today I'm making a really quick casserole based on a super popular sandwich. I've got a cup of Thousand Island dressing, a quarter cup of mayo, which is not cooperating with me today. Do you guys have a favorite sandwich? Let me know in the comments. I kind of usually like a good Reuben or a BLT, but sometimes I have a really good craving for a fast food sandwich, which is what today's casserole is based on. So to this, we're going to be adding 1 medium onion that's lightly chopped up and 1 cup of dill pickles that have also been chopped up. I'm going to give this a quick stir. And we're going to be adding about a tablespoon of onion powder and about a tablespoon of garlic powder. To that, we're just adding a little bit of salt and pepper. And let's go ahead and give that one more stir. We're going to be adding 2 pounds of ground beef that I've cooked off and drained all the fat. Like that. And we're just going to give this whole thing a stir. This is so good. Can you guys guess what kind of casserole I'm making? It's got the, traditional flavors of this very, very popular sandwich. Let me know in the comments if you figured it out. Okay, go ahead and flatten everything out so we can start our next layer. 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I'm using this triple cheddar one, but you can use whichever one you like. Just cover the whole thing. And just kind of spread it out. Then we have one last layer to put on, and that's tater tots. I'm using potato puffs, but you can use tater tots. Just make it look really pretty, and then this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, just to make sure that cheese is all melty and the tater tots are cooked through. After 25 minutes, everything is golden brown and bubbly, and oh, it smells so good. I can see all the cheese in there, it's all melty. I'm gonna go ahead and top this with some shredded lettuce. And then we're topping everything with a little bit of extra Thousand Island dressing. I think you can kind of guess what I'm making here. I think the Thousand Island dressing kind of gives it away. But, so once that's all put together, I'm gonna go ahead and dig right on in. Oof. I've been craving one of these all week, so the fact that I can make it as a casserole kind of makes me super happy. Oof, that looks so good. One more scoop with the lettuce. So excited about this casserole. It's just, oh. If you haven't guessed already, it was a Big Mac tater tot casserole. So if you like Big Macs, but you're trying to do gluten-free, this might be a really good option for you. I don't know if there's any gluten in Thousand Island dressing though, so you have to check that. But That's really good.